are diplopassive.
It's not necessary, but like mostly it is observed. Hmm.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, I had this doubt actually. I had even asked Risha about it, but I didn't actually. I understood, but I just wanted to confirm it with you, ma'am. In simple leaves, there's this thing. There's a sentence which says that the incisions do not touch the midrib.
हाँ, जो
So,
अब
what
ये
exactly is incision over
हाँ,
here?
Risha also asked me the question, what does incision means? Incision
No,
means
ma'am, I know what incisions are,
हाँ,
but how can we say that it does not touch the midrib?
It's actually the edge of the leaf. So the edge of the leaf is completely, it does not have any cut. It completely touches the midrib without any cut. It's called like without, what do you tell? The incision is not touching. I don't know how to explain.
It's called a simple leaf.
Yeah, it's called a simple leaf. Like if it does not have a cut.
I will tell you one thing. Like simple leaf का मतलब क्या है? There will be only one leaf, okay? And it will be present like this. Suppose this is only one leaf. Now compound leaf होगी तो क्या होगा? ये उसकी leaflet हो गई, one leaflet, the other leaflets. Okay? So we can say this is the incision. But in simple leaf, incision is not present. It will be present as single. Compound leaves, these are the incisions, and these are different leaflets. They all are joining common
The
point.
thing in middle, that's called the rachis, right? Rachis.
Right. वो rachis है, but incision, like I'm not asking about this thing. I'm asking this. This is incision of one leaf. This is incision of other leaf. They are two separate leaves having common point. But here this incision is not touching this क्योंकि ये gap भी तो आ गया इनके बीच में.
I'm not talking about leaflets in the compound leaf.
हाँ, like हाँ, compound leaf में you have seen that the incisions are touching the common that midrib. ये midrib है, but this is one leaflet, this is another leaflet, and this is rachis. But this like this incision is not touching here. There is one gap. You can see this is rachis. So this incision stop here only. It is not like नीचे और नहीं जा रहा है. यहाँ पे ये gap रह रहा है. So this is like this incision is not touching this. समझ में आया? जबकि सिंपल लीफ में तो सिर्फ ओनली वन यही प्रेजेंट होगा, तो ये एक ही ऐसा है, इसमें इंसिशन है ही नहीं, तो कहाँ से like it will touch?
So why has it been written that the incisions do not touch the midrib if there are no incisions?
है कि हाँ, it is written to confuse you कि incisions are not touching the midrib, जबकि उसमें incisions होंगे, क्योंकि वो तो सिंपल लीफ में तो सिंगल लीफ ही होती है ना. कंपाउंड लीव्स में they are having many leaflets or many leaves. तो this thing is applicable there. और वो if you like will not learn that line, it will be fine, मतलब वो चलेगा. But that thing we have added to like the book have added this thing to make you like understand. Otherwise you would have asked if this thing would be given in compound leaf, then you would have asked a simple leaf में ये चीज क्यों नहीं explain की. That's why it is written in simple leaf, and the same thing is also written in that like compound leaf if you have studied, जहाँ पे लिखा है कि incision will touch the midrib.
Okay, ma'am, I got it.
Okay. So yeah, Anvadya, do you have any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Risha.
No, ma'am.
तो आज का चैप्टर तो समझ में आया सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Risha is still reading कि कुछ मिल जाए तो कुछ लोग.
No. I'm actually getting confused now because what I read was incisions are like the cuts in the leaf. And even if there are no cuts, it's still called an incision, the edge of the leaf.
अरे नहीं यार, मैंने I have told you the what is incision. I have told you. You have asked me.
Yeah. I asked you because at first I didn't understand.
I have told you that is the like edges of the leaf. पर simple leaf का तो मतलब अलग incision तो कुछ नहीं है. ये outer layer is present, but it is not touching the midrib क्योंकि midrib तो इसके यहाँ present होगी ना.
It does not have an incision only.
हाँ, it doesn't मतलब इसका incision नहीं हुआ. ये इसका बाहर का outer covering, outer layering हो गई. You can call it incision. लेकिन midrib तो यहाँ present होगी, तो ये incision तो like it's quite away from midrib. लेकिन compound leaf में what will happen? They will have a common midrib और ये like ऐसा इनकी अलग leaflets will be present. They will have a common midrib. So ये incisions भी like they will be अब मैं कैसे समझाऊं? Like they are present. They will start from one point that midrib common leaves में midrib will be common. Okay? इसलिए इनके एजेस मीट हो रही है. लेकिन सिंपल लीफ में तो मिडरिब एक ही होगी और लीफ ही सिंगल होगी, तो लाइक उनकी इंसिशंस कैसे टच करेंगे या उनमें इंसिशन होंगे क्यों? सिंपल लीफ में इंसिशन
in compound leaf, especially like in pinnately compound, the incisions don't touch the leaf. The petiole, or how do you tell, the stalk, the stem connecting to the rachis, that touches the leaf, does not touch the midrib.
Petioles, they are connected with the midrib through petiole, but petiole is present to connect them. Like
so the incision does not touch the midrib, right?
That petiole is also part of that leaf only, right? So it touches the midrib. The leaf directly and indirectly is touching the midrib. अगर वो that petiole was absent, तो वो directly touch होता. लेकिन that petiole is also part of leaf only. वो stem से नहीं निकलता, वो leaf का part है. So leaf is touching the midrib.
Then all leaves are then all leaves are touching the midrib. No, if in that case even
there are lot of leaves जिसमें petiole absent नहीं होगा, वो directly touch होगा उसको.
In simple leaf they don't have petioles.
They have petioles.
I'm getting confused now.
I am also getting confused. मुझे इतना confused करते हो चीजें, पता नहीं क्या पूछते हो.
Or else if you could find like a proper picture which you think is correct, you could just send it to us.
I will try. So what should I exactly like search?
What is incision?
Incision, so Risha will tell you what is incision. Leaf blade जो ये अपना ये you know that this is the surface of leaf, we call is that like a leaf blade. अब ये इसका अगर डिवीजन होता है या ये अगर अलग अलग पोर्शंस में डिवाइड होती है तो उसको कहते हैं हम इंसिशन. लेकिन सिंपल लीफ में तो इंसिशन होगा ही क्यों, वो तो सिंगल ही होगी ना. सिंपल लीफ मींस सिंगल लीफ ओनली, वन लीफ ओनली. तो लाइक वन है तो वो डिवाइड ही क्यों होगी. और कंपाउंड मींस मेनी लीफलेट्स आर प्रेजेंट. तो you are not understanding, मतलब मैं क्या समझाऊं. They will have a common midrib but they have many leaflets and simple leaf will be single only. तो लाइक ये इंसिशन वाली चीज ही क्यों है. सिर्फ इतना समझो ना कि कंपाउंड लीफ में इंसिशंस टच करते हैं क्योंकि इंसिशंस प्रेजेंट होते हैं. सिंपल लीफ में इंसिशन होते ही नहीं है तो लाइक हाउ कैन दे लाइक टच. वो सिंगल ही होती है. इंसिशन की चीज विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दैट कंपाउंड लीफ ओनली. Incision means incision of lamina refers to a leaf blade that has cuts in such a way that it goes up to the midrib. मतलब समझे. Leaf lamina अगर cut है या leaf lamina divided है different portions में, and if it is touching the midrib then it means incision is present. But simple leaf का तो मतलब ये है कि only single will be present. There are no cuts. This lamina will touching the like stem. लेकिन इसमें कोई कट नहीं है, कोई इंसिशंस है ही नहीं. जबकि कंपाउंड लीव्स में इंसिशंस प्रेजेंट होंगे एंड दे आर टचिंग मिडरिब. नहीं समझ में आया? नहीं आया? I will search the diagram and will send it to you. Okay? Incision in like simple leaf में तो होगा ही नहीं, but incision, what is incision और कंपाउंड लीफ में व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इंसिशन, अगर कोई डायग्राम मिलेगा तो आई विल सेंड यू, तो समझ में आएगा। ठीक है, सो टाइम हो गया अब तो, है ना शायद?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, ठीक है। So, okay then. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Bye.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.